Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. We had a bit of a break. We've been on a lovely holiday in Cornwall, but we're back now, so we're going to be doing more recipes and more fun stuff. For this week, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and creamy beetroot tarte tatin. And it's a tarte tatin made with a bit of more vegetables than you should, but I love adding new things, so it tastes really good, guys. Just onion and carrots and beetroot, all laid out in a lovely pastry crust. So good. And we had it with a bit of cheese sauce, so I'm going to give you the recipe for that. And I hope you will enjoy it, and if you do decide to bake it, don't forget to tag me, because I would love to see your creations. Of course, there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is @Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on Rapid, but I will take you through the process step by step. So if you like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time I put a video up. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break an egg. So I'm going to chop the vegetables. Beetroot tart. Beetroot, I got like 4 here, and I'm adding, the recipe doesn't require it, but I'm going to add a few carrots and a pepper, yellow pepper, just for the taste. And we're cutting the vegetables into wedges. Use a deep pan, oven-proof pan. So all of this is going to go in the oven. So the oven is on now, preheating 180. We're going to chop all the vegetables, put them in the oven for about 45-50 minutes. Then we're going to cover them in pastry. Yum. It's my first time trying beetroot. Never tried beetroot before, but it tastes sweet, my mum said. And I listened to my mum. Yeah, should be nice. So beetroot, pepper,
sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Now time to season before we put it in the oven. So we start with brown sugar, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Olive oil, 3 tablespoons. White wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Okay. Salt and pepper. And the juice of an orange. Okay, mix them all up. We're going to boil this it up for about 45-50 minutes, like I said, 180 degrees, and make the pastry in the meantime. Here we go, in the oven. See you soon. Now making the pastry sheet for the tart. 150 grams of cold salted butter and 200 grams of plain flour. So you mix them up until they resemble breadcrumbs first. There we go. Now we're adding an egg. Oops. There we go. We're going to wrap it in cling film and set it in the fridge to chill for about 15-20 minutes. See you soon. Here you go, guys. Tarte Tatin with beetroot. It smells absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to try a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Take care.